A piece of metal weight 46 gram in air. When it is immersed in the liquid of specific gravity 1.24 at 27 degrees Celsius, it weighs 30 gram. When the temperature of liquid is raised to 42 degrees Celsius, the metal piece weighs 30.5 gram. Specific gravity of the liquid at 42 degrees Celsius is 1.20. Then the linear expansion of the metal will be. Now at temperature 27 degrees Celsius, specific gravity of liquid is 1.24 and weight of the metal in air W0 is 46 gram, and at temperature 27 degrees Celsius, weight of the metal is 30 gram. Let at temperature 27 degrees Celsius, the volume of the metal in liquid is V1. So loss in weight at T equal to 27 degrees Celsius is W0 minus W1 is equal to V1, and density is 1.24 rho L. Here rho L is the density of the water, so the density of the liquid is 1.24 rho L into G. Here W0 is 46 minus 30 equal to V1 into 1.24 rho L into G. And at temperature 42 degrees Celsius, density of the liquid becomes 1.2 rho L. Here specific gravity is 1.2 and weight of the body is 30.5 gram, and volume is V2. So loss in weight at temperature T equal to 40 degrees Celsius is 46 minus 30.5 equal to V2, and rho here is 1.2 rho L into G. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now dividing to 1, so this is V2 into 1.2 by V1 into 1.24 equal to, so this is 15.5 by 16. So V2 by V1 equal to 15.5 into 1.24 by 16 into 1.2. So this is equation 3. Now we know that for thermal expansion, if V1 is the initial volume and V2 is the final volume, so the equation V2 is V1 into 1 plus V1 gamma delta T. Here gamma is the volume expansion, so V2 equal to V1 into 1 plus, if alpha with the linear expansion, so and the relation between gamma and linear expansion, gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So this is basically 3 alpha, and change in temperature is 42 minus 27. Here V1 is the volume at 27 degrees Celsius and V2 is the volume at 42 degrees Celsius. So V2 by V1 equal to 1 plus 3 alpha into 15, and here V2 by V1 is 15.5 into 1.24 by 16 into 1.2 is equal to 1 plus 3 alpha into 15, and this is 1.001042 equal to 1 plus 45 alpha. So 45 alpha is 1. This is 0.001042. So alpha becomes 0.001042 by 45, and this is 2.316 into 10 to the power minus 5 degrees Celsius. So the option 2 is correct.